Hi everyone and welcome back for my final morning report analysis video on Tuesday 25th of July with me, Rich Market Analyst at Hantec Markets, looking at gold. And what we have got on gold is this sort of move higher that has continued. It's now bumping up against 1260. 1260 is a pivot, and these pivots within this sort of, let's say, broadly 1200 to 1300 range, these pivots of 1240 and 1260 have tended to be historically sort of consolidation points rather than big turning points. And you can see the consolidation around 1260 back in May resolved to the upside. You can see sort of becoming resistance and then to the downside. So I think this is a possible area of consolidation around 1260, and then you sort of could see the market trading between 1260 and 1240 potentially, and then sort of carrying on the way higher, because I think we're in the current upswing. And momentum indicators are positive. Within that, you've got the RSI sort of around about that 60 point and trending higher on the near-term basis. Now you've got on the hourly chart, I've sort of drawn in a shallower uptrend, which on the daily chart you sort of link in these lows here, back from earlier in July, but there's a tighter uptrend as well you could draw. But on the hourly chart, you've got that, and that hourly uptrend comes in around about sort of the 1235 area, which is again an old basis of support, but around that 1240 is obviously that old pivot level coming in. You've sort of rolled over a touch today, not a huge amount rolling over. 1251.40 being that support arguably, but old supports become new old resistances become new supports, and 47.50 being that sort of breakout level you could argue a few days ago is a basis of support initially, and I wouldn't sort of be too concerned about the market just rolling over a touch, because I still think the market has got sort of the momentum in it to push on 1260 and above, but it is an interesting fact that 1260 once more seems to be sort of a consolidation point, at least in the near term, and that could could arguably pull you back to 1240, but as I said, I still think the momentum is strong, and positive moves I think are going to see this market sort of pushing through 1260 in due course, but still that uptrend is intact for now. Anyway, I wish you good luck in your trading, and I'll speak to you again tomorrow. Thank you.